In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize Mailchimp emails with Dear First Name. Personalization is a simple change that can boost engagement and make your emails feel more human. In Mailchimp, we'll add a greeting that automatically pulls each subscriber's first name using a built-in merge tag. I'll walk you through the exact places to click and share a few tips so your greeting looks great for every recipient. Start on your Mailchimp dashboard and head to the campaigns area. This is where all your email campaigns live. Find the campaign you want to personalize and open it by selecting Edit. You'll be making a small content change, so you don't need to rebuild anything from scratch. Just open the existing campaign so we can add the personalized greeting right at the top of your message. Once you're inside the campaign builder, choose Edit Design to open the email editor. This is the workspace where you manage content blocks and styling. We're going to add a greeting as a heading so it's clear and easy to read. From the content panel, drag a heading block into your email layout and drop it where you want the greeting to appear, typically at the very top above your main body text. You can adjust font, size, and alignment later. For now, let's focus on adding the personalization. With the heading block selected, switch to the code option in the block's toolbar or settings. This lets you type directly into the HTML-friendly field. In that box, type Dear Name. You can include a comma if you prefer, like Dear Name, to match your brand's tone. The tag name is Mailchimp's merge tag for the subscriber's first name, pulled from your audience data. When the email sends, it replaces that tag with each individual's name automatically. Keep the spacing and capitalization as you'd normally write a greeting. A couple of quick tips to make this airtight. Some contacts may not have a first name on file. To keep the greeting friendly for everyone, consider setting a fallback value in your audience settings, so the email shows something like Dear there when a name is missing. Also, use the preview and test features to confirm your merge tag renders correctly with a sample contact. Finally, style the heading for readability. Choose a legible font size, ensure good contrast, and keep it concise so the greeting doesn't overwhelm your content. That's it. You've added a personalized Dear First Name greeting to your Mailchimp email, creating a warmer, more tailored experience for your audience with just a few clicks.